Hello friends, let us now go to our next question from JEE Main 2019 11th of January evening session. Our next question is, a 27 milliwatt laser beam has a cross-sectional area of 10 millimeter square. The magnitude of the maximum electric field in this electromagnetic wave is given by the permittivity of the free space is epsilon naught equals 9 into 10 raised to power minus 12 in SI units, and the speed of light c equals 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meters per second. Our choices are 1.4 kilovolts per meter, 1 kilovolt per meter, 2 kilovolt per meter and 0.7 kilovolt per meter. It is quite obvious that this is a simple question from electromagnetic waves and has only one choice correct. Before going further, please press the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive the notification of all my future videos. Let us now try to solve this question. We know that an electromagnetic wave consists both of electric as well as magnetic fields, and the total energy of the electromagnetic wave is equally divided amongst its two fields. That is, the energy associated with electric field is equal to the energy associated with the magnetic field, or UE equals UB. Moreover, we know that the energy associated with the two fields are UE equals 1 by 4 into epsilon naught into E naught square into C into A, and UB equals 1 by 4 mu naught into B naught square into C into A, where E naught, B naught, C and A are the values of the maximum electric field, the maximum magnetic field, the speed of light and the area of cross-section of the laser beam. And hence UE plus UB equals U, the total energy of the beam, or 2UE equals U, or 1 by 2 epsilon naught into E naught square into C into A equals U, or E naught square equals twice of U whole divided by epsilon naught into C into A, or E naught equals square root of 2 into U divided by epsilon naught into C into A. Substituting the values of all the parameters, we get E naught equals 1.4 into 10 raised to power 3 volts per meter, or E naught equals 1.4 kilovolts per meter. Our answer matches with option 1 out of the 4 given choices, and option 1 therefore is the right answer. Friends, although it's a simple question, but I have tried to give you that why is the total energy is equal to half epsilon naught E naught square into C into A. Please pay attention and try to understand each and every concept in the given question. Another thing that I wish to mention here is that I have seen that a lot of people on the YouTube, while they record their videos, they are hyperactive and do everything very, very fast, whereas I believe physics is a subject that should be done with peace at your mind. So therefore, I try to record everything in a very simple and comfortable way so that you can understand the subject in a much better way. No hurries, work harder, and I am sure you will succeed. If you have any difficulties, please comment and like this video and share it with your friends, and do visit us again for our next video. Till then, Jai Hind.